Hello everybody, hope you're all having a awesome weekend. It is Sunday, which is August the 26th. So I'm sitting here to chat with you today so I can share my very first Ipsy unboxing or unbagging, if you will. So this is my very first glam bag from Ipsy, which is the beauty subscription, as I'm sure you're probably all very aware. If you've watched my videos or followed me in the past, then you know that I was receiving Top Box, which was a Canadian beauty box subscription for about 2 years, and then recently canceled it, and I'm trying something new out. So I have not opened it. I have not peeked. If you're interested in seeing what I got, then just keep watching this video. I know that every month they send you a different cosmetics bag, and so this is the cosmetics bag. It's like a canvas kind of bag. It's kind of a funny sort of peachy color. I don't know if you can really get a look at that. It has this cute little tassel here and kind of reminds me of a peach Bellini kind of look. It's got a corally pink with a yellow kind of border around it, as you can plainly see. Anyways, let's get into the goodies. So I'm just gonna pull out this very first one here. Looks quite big. It says Pixi by Petra, so that's pretty exciting. Wow, it's really big. Wow, look at that there. So this is, it looks to be some kind of highlighter and blush. Pixi by Petra. I used to buy Pixi by Petra when we had Target, but we no longer have Target, and now you can get Pixi by Petra in Shoppers Drug Mart if you're Canadian. This is called the Peachy Honey Beauty Blush Duo, so there it is right there. Cute little dual pan of sort of a peachy. Let's just see what the highlighter is. Oh, wow. It's okay, so it's a very chalky. It's very chalky. Yeah, you can see it because it literally just matches my skin color. And let's see what the honey side is. That's the honey side. I don't know if you can see that, but it actually kind of provides a tiny little shimmer. You're not going to be able to see that, but the peachy side right here is actually not too bad, but the pale side is, whoa, it's like all kinds of chalkiness. Not sure how I feel about that, but a really good size sample. All right, let's see what's next. All right, so here's another bubble wrapped item. So this is called Hikari, and this is a cream pigment. I'm gonna assume it's an eyeshadow. Yes, it's a cream eyeshadow, Hikari, and this is in the color, one does not know. Just, oh, Latte says right on top. Okay, so not a bad size, to be honest with you. Yeah, it looks like you could probably just pop that pan out and put it into a Z palette or something. And I do have a Z palette that I throw some of my things into, especially when I travel. So this is in the color Latte. It looks like a full glitter. Let's just see. Wow, that is mega pigmented. Wow, I really like that. Hikari. All right, so I don't know if you can see that at all. Oh, again, just experimenting with some lights. Bought a new light, not using my IKEA light. I am using this new little desk Costco light that has 3 different settings. So I have you today on the cool setting. I don't know, does that look good, or does it just completely just wash me out? Probably just washes me out. But anyways, you can't really see it, but take my word on that. Actually, it's really creamy, it's really shimmery, and it's a very fall-like. So actually, I'm digging the Hikari Latte Cream Pigment eyeshadow. So that is a nice little addition to the bag. Oh, okay, what's this? Oh, so this is a Benefit, of course, Benefit. We're all familiar with Benefit, and this is the Porefessional Pearl Primer, a soft radiance face primer to minimize the look of pores. All right, so I take by the name of it. It's just not like their usual, the Porefessional, but it's actually a pearlescent primer, which would be kind of nice because we all know, starting to go into the fall, that we kind of get that ruddy sort of look. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit on my hand just to, but certainly enough to give you an idea. It has the exact same feel, exact same smell as the Porefessional. Yep, it definitely has that silicone base, but I love the Porefessional, so I'm all about that. And tiniest little bit of a little pearlescent finish. So I'm pretty excited to use that, give that a shot. So that was good. That's number 3. And what is number 4? Okay, number 4 is this item right here. And it is the Black Tea London Classic Serum containing 100% pure black tea extract. This anti-aging skincare basically contains high-quality black tea. It's recognized by the English royal family. All right, don't know what that has to do with with the product. So I'm quite familiar with Tony Moly, their face masks. I had a girlfriend who brought me back a whole bunch of Korean and Chinese sheet masks when she was over there, and it's a huge big company over there. Smell, but I just can't really put my finger on it, and it doesn't smell like tea. It's a nice fresh smell, and it's not very strong, but wow, I put a whole lot on. It is, oh, this is cute. This is liquid lipstick, it looks like, Macy and Mia, and it is in the color Ava, and it looks to be a beautiful, soft, oh, indeed it is. There it is right there. Smells like, smells like candy. I'm going to put it on my lips because it is gorgeous. All right, well, I'm definitely going to list everything down below as well. But this is a beautiful sort of nudie pink liquid lipstick. Overall, other than the fact that now I just got Macy and Mia over Mia. I know, cheesy joke. Okay. Anyways, Macy and Mia, loving that. London Classic Serum with 100% black tea, recognized by the royal family. Of course, Meghan Markle, I'm sure, and Kate use that. The Benefit Pearl Primer, definitely going to give that a try. Hikari, wow, that is just, it's still on my hand, still loving that. Going to try do something with that. The Pixi by Petra, really good size. I think the Honey Duo blush side will be good. Again, willing to just give a swirl and give that a try. And so on my next Ipsy month, I will do a follow-up of these items, and I will let you know how I got on with them all. And again, if you're interested in any of those, I will certainly leave all of the descriptions down below as to what I got. Other than that, I'd have to say for my first Ipsy bag, I'm going to give that 2 thumbs up. It was a pretty good bag overall. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hit the subscription and just leave a comment down below as to whether you like these kind of unbagging, unboxing, makeup subscriptions. I always think they're fun. That's it, everybody. I hope you're all having a really great weekend. And as I always say at the end of every video, I hope, as always, that you have an absolutely fabulous week. Take care. Talk to you next week. Bye.